Hey guys, so I have strep, so I'm home today and I'm sick. I get strep like every single day of life. I was like, I'm gonna vlog today. Not vlog, but I'm gonna do a get ready with me. But to make myself more excited about filming, I'm gonna go to Target and get some pretty little fairy lights, like Christmassy fairy lights. So let's go. Hey guys, I'm driving. I should not be vlogging while I'm driving, but I'm on my phone because I didn't want to carry that big bleep camera into Target, so I have my phone. Do I look cool or what? I will update when I'm at Target. Target, as I like to say. JK, I don't say that. There's Applebee's right there. Maybe I should go to Applebee's. JK, I did not want Applebee's. It always smells like smoke in there. Okay, anyways, bye. I left my glasses on, and when I walked in, it was super dark, and I was confused. I still have them on, so that's fun. And Target. My eyes just got really big. I felt it. Trees. Okay, there are the lights. Oh my god. I think I want those ones. Or maybe those. Oh my god, I don't know. Those are cute. Oh my god. And I think I'm gonna get a mini tree, but I don't know which one to get. I'm thinking of a white one, but it's kind of ugly. This one matches my hair. It's so stupid. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, first of all, I got so much stuff. Ow! And I got 2 tiny Christmas trees because I'm gonna give one to Kara for her room. And I got so many lights, like tiny ones. I'm gonna put on my wall and on my little tree. I didn't get any ornaments because I did not want to do that. When I was walking out, one of the stupid trees like scratched my eyebrow so bad and it hurt. I also really wanted to get apple cider from Starbucks, but the Starbucks in that Target is so far away from where I was parked, and I was just not vibing with the fact that it was so far away. I got my Christmas stuff and I left. I was also supposed to get SpaghettiOs and hangers, but I wanted to dip because I felt gross. And yeah, gonna go play Christmas music, so I'll be Hey guys, I have strep. That's why I'm home right now. You wouldn't know, but this is during school hours and I'm home because I have strep throat. I get strep all the time. Oh wait, I just told you this. I'm back from Target. I put my lights up. I put some up there too, but the battery won't work. So they're just there, but you can't even see them because they're not on. But I'm gonna do a strep day get ready with me. I literally get strep all the time. It's what triggered my psoriasis. Yeah, I'm really tired and I had coffee, but it's fine. What do you mean? I have nails too. Every time I get nails, I'm just like, okay, I have to film, which makes no sense. But yeah, it's really cold and I look sick. I mean, I am sick, but I look sick. I'm gonna do eyeshadow and then liner because I want it to match my hair and my nails. I don't know what palette to use. I got this mini Pat McGrath palette, so I might use a shimmer from there. Like, that blue is so pretty. Also, when I was buying this at Sephora, the worker came up to me while I was taking it out of the shelf thing and she was like, why would you get that when the Shane Dawson and Jeffree palette comes out next month? And I was like, girl, first of all, Pat McGrath. Second of all, no, like, I don't know why she told me that, but it made me really upset. And I tweeted about it a while ago, but it like still bothers me, and every time I use this palette, I just think of it and it like, I get flashbacks and I just hated it. Like, I didn't even know what to say. I was just like, y'all don't even sell his products here. Why are you promoting it? It was so annoying. Anyways, and she checked me out and I bought this and I was like, and she didn't say a single thing. Anyways, okay. Probably use this ColourPop palette for the purple. It honestly looks kind of good with the green. Might have done something. Oh man, oh man, oh man, I don't know. This gigantic palette. I'm so upset though because I got this one and I didn't know there were 2 versions of it. Like one has all mattes and this one has the shimmers and the mattes. And I just wanted all the mattes, but I didn't know there were 2 different ones. I'm an idiot, but it's fine. I've just been a mess. I mean, I always am, but if you guys didn't know, I was taking Zoloft and I've recently switched to Lexapro. And I was on like 100 milligrams of Zoloft and it still wasn't really, I mean, it was doing something, but it was like kind of the same. It's kind of hard to explain. Anyway, so now I'm taking Lexapro. I think like 10 milligrams. I think it goes up to 20, something like that. Been trying to get my house in order. My brain is the roof, and you can't live in a house without a roof. I just came up with that on site. So I'm so talented. Who's here, baby? Someone's here. This blue kind of reminds me of the dumpster I hit that was blue. The other day, I literally drove into a dumpster and I broke my bumper and my headlight. You know? You just love it when you run into a dumpster for no reason and ruin your headlight and bumper? Because I did that and it was fun. At first, I thought it was funny because I was like, oh, lol, I just hit this dumpster on accident. And then when I looked at it, I cried like super hard. Just because it was so unnecessary. I felt so dumb. I'm gonna get it fixed, but I'm not gonna fix my bumper because I could care less about that. But my headlight, I feel bad about her. So I was moving out of this like alley thing and I was turning right. That was kind of funny, you can see me. Ooh, my nose looks big from that angle. Anyways, I was turning and I thought I had enough space, but I didn't, and I completely hit it. And now there's blue on my car from the dumpster that I hit. Also, when I was looking at the mirror, I saw my Brockhampton poster. There. Dom's not in it. I don't know why they keep putting like out posters that don't have Dom in it. Like I got the ginger one with the flowers and he's not in that one either. Where's Dom? I just want to know. Yo, why does it look kind of bang? And why is it so far up my eyes? Like might as well go up all the way to my head. That's how high I blend up. Oh my god, my last video I had blue and purple eyeshadow on and now look what I have on. So simple, I can't stand it, but it's fine. Honestly, I feel like it would have looked better with outliner, but okay. I got Disney Plus. Y'all know what that is? I was watching Toy Story 3 before y'all really interrupted me. I'm just kidding, because I obviously chose to film. Pixar movies are just so good. They make me so happy. My dream is to work for Pixar. Like, if I could illustrate the characters and like come up with all the characters for the movies, like I would scream like all the time. And then when I have kids I can be like, look, I drew that, I made that character. I also get less motivated when things aren't clean around me, at least. Like if things around me are like cute and I have candles on and I have lights on, like those little Christmas lights. Oh, they looked like half on, half off. That was weird. Anyways, you know what's super good? The vegetable soup from La Madeleine. So good, it makes me want to die. Oh, it's so good. Also, remember how I was a vegetarian? Not so much anymore. I don't eat beef and I don't eat pork, but I do eat chicken. Not so much fish, but it's really hard for me to get rid of chicken. I did for a while. Like I literally had no meat for like 3 weeks, which was good considering I'm a Latina and like my dad cooks a lot of Mexican food and like, you know. But the thing is, I honestly, if I'm being honest here, like I honestly don't even get hungry ever. I mean, right now I'm hungry and I'm complaining about being hungry. But typically, food like grosses me out. Did I just drop F? Oh my god, that was so bad. Oh no, I just dug my nail into one of them. That sucks. I definitely put those in the wrong place, but it's fine. We'll live, we'll live, we'll live. Look at what I did to her. I'm so sorry. I feel super annoying right now. My camera's gonna die? What? OMG. This is like a routine. I need to get another battery so I don't skip everything all the time. Like I always record just my eyes and then I'm like, oh, LOL, sorry guys, my battery died, and then I have to charge my battery and like go back, and it's I'm so sorry. I just keep forgetting to buy a camera battery. Also, I really want an iPad Pro. Should I get one? Do I have money for it? No, but still, should I get one? Yes or no? Because I need to practice drawing digitally so I can become a Pixar employee. Where's Leica located? I kind of want to work at there too, because they make Coraline and Box Trolls, and claymation is so cool. You get to make stuff and take a bunch of pictures and design characters in a whole town. Like, that's so cool. That'd be so cool, but I would probably have to be a mechanic, would I not? Who knows? Not me. I'm so prepared for this job that I made up in my head. I'm gonna charge my camera battery, and then I'm gonna watch some of Toy Story 3, and then I'll get back to you. Toodaloo. Am I still recording? Thanks. Surprisingly, I'm back. So, also, I definitely didn't make a video since my B-Day, but now I'm older than I was last time I posted a vid, so you're welcome for that information. The medicine I have to take for strep is so gigantic, it's actually kind of insane. I almost choked on it yesterday. She asked me if I could swallow big pills, and I was like, yeah, I take on life every day. I can swallow big pills, you know what I'm saying? And they were so big. Like, I can swallow pills no prob, but they're so big. I can't even wait to show y'all. Y'all are gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, yeah. I miss Target, I wanna go back. Got my soup, so now I'm gonna finish my makeup so I can eat it. Phoebe smells my soup and now she wants to come in my room. She's the fakest of fakes. Thank you guys for watching. I missed you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go eat my soup and watch Toy Story. Hope you do the same. Bye guys, hope you guys have an amazing day.